a natural language processing program that, by utilizing straightforward pattern matching methods, could carry on a conversation with a person. A. Watson IBM. B. Deep Blue IBM. C. ML versus DL. D. Eliza AIL of MIT. What is the process of adjusting a machine learning model's parameters to minimize errors on the training data? A. Underfitting. B. Regression. C. Optimization. D. Overfitting. An algorithm that instructs the LLM to concentrate on certain areas of the input. A. Interpretability. B. Attention mechanisms. C. Fine-tuning. D. Word embedding. What is one possible ethical issue connected to the usage of artificial intelligence? A. Potential for biased or discriminatory outcomes. B. Advancement in scientific research and discoveries. C. Over-reliance on human judgment and decision-making. D. Decreased need for data privacy and security measures. Which of the following criteria is used to classify artificial intelligence? A. Based on capabilities only. B. Based on functionally only. C. Based on capabilities and functionally. D. It is not categorized. Which of the following statements about AI is false? A. Reactive machines. B. Unlimited memory. C. Theory of mind. D. Self-awareness. You are creating an AI system that will examine several millions of images. You must suggest a method for keeping the photos. The answer must be to reduce expenses. Which storage option would you recommend? A. Field programmable gate arrays. B. Azure Blob Storage. C. Azure Table Storage. What is the term for AI models making decisions based on patterns identified in historical data? A. Reinforcement learning. B. Predictive modeling. C. Unsupervised learning. D. Transfer learning. Which of the following cognitive services is not an Azure Language Cognitive Service? A. Text analytics. B. Speech service. C. Translator. D. Immersive reader. Which of the following could be a danger brought on by artificial intelligence? A. Increased job opportunities for human workers. B. Enhanced cybersecurity measures. C. Reduction in decision-making accuracy. D. Ethical concerns and potential misuse of AI technologies. What is artificial intelligence's purpose? A. To extract scientific causes. B. To solve artificial problems. C. To explain various sorts of intelligence. D. To solve real-world problems. The only way an expert system differs from a database software is that A. Contains declarative knowledge. B. Contains procedural knowledge. C. Features the retrieval of stored information. D. Expect users to draw their own conclusions. When supervised machine learning is used, the computer forecasts future data based on historical data. The computer learns from its error and performs better the next time based on how accurate the forecast was. A. What is reinforcement machine learning? B. What is supervised machine learning? C. What is unsupervised machine learning? What is a large language model? What is the potential downside of using deep learning models that have a large number of parameters? A. They require less computational power. B. They have lower accuracy. C. They are faster to train. D. They may overfit to the training data. What does AI mean in its entirety? A. Artificially intelligent. B. Advanced intelligence. C. Artificial intelligence. D. Artificially intelligence. In which movie is the idea of coexisting with highly developed humanoid robots known as replicants explored? A. AI Artificial Intelligence. B. Elysium. C. Blade Runner. D. I, Robot. Which one of the following is an artificial intelligence subfield? A. Cyberforensics. B. Machine learning. C. Network design. D. Full-stack developer. What is the best course of action for a game-playing issue? A. Linear approach. B. Heuristic approach. C. Random approach. D. An optimal approach. Are composed of layers of interconnected nodes that analyze and transform data and are modeled after the composition and operation of the human brain. A. What is fine-tuning? B. Neural networks. C. Deep learning. D. What is bias? What does NLP stand for in the context of AI? A. New language programming. B. Natural language processing. C. Nonlinear processing. D. Neural learning paradigm. A branch of computer science that aims to replicate human thought. A. Artificial intelligence definition. B. Prompt engineering. C. Compare and contrast DL and human learning. D. Shaky the robot. What one of the following represents a use of artificial intelligence in the retail sector? A. Speech recognition for voice commands. B. Autonomous drones for package delivery. C. Social media sentiment analysis. D. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing plants. Which of the following describes an AI component? A. Learning. B. Training. C. Designing. D. Puzzling. Which of the following uses artificial intelligence? A. Gaming. B. Expert systems. C. Vision systems. D. All of the above. The process of adapting an LLM for a specific task or domain by training it on a smaller, relevant dataset. A. What is fine-tuning? B. What is prompt engineering? C. What is are transformers? D. What is interpretability? What term describes the algorithms that learn and make predictions from data without being explicitly programmed? A. Rule-based algorithms. B. Pre-trained models. C. Supervised learning. D. Machine learning algorithms. A professional system that might identify bacterial illnesses and make antibiotic recommendations. A. The granddaddy of all expert systems, the one that launched the field. B. The Dartmouth Conference. C. Interpretability. D. Watson IBM. Which trait is frequently connected to artificial intelligence? Consciousness and emotion. A. Autonomous decision-making without human input. B. Autonomous decision-making without human input. C. Emotion and consciousness. D. Limited scope and application in specific domains. The person who created artificial intelligence is who? A. Geoffrey Hinton. B. Andrew Ng. C. John McCarthy. D. Jürgen Schmidhuber. State space, what is it? A. The whole problem. B. Your definition to a problem. C. Problem you design. D. Representing your problem with variable and parameter. Is a branch of machine learning that employs neural networks to simulate and resolve challenging issues. A. Neural networks. B. Deep learning. C. What is fine-tuning? D. What is bias? What is the purpose of a validation set in machine learning? A. To train the model. B. To evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. C. To test the model's performance on the training data. D. To provide additional training data. Filters poor answers to prevent the algorithms from responding to certain input questions. A. Culture. B. Rebuttal. C. Bias. D. Fine-tuning. Which sector makes frequent use of artificial intelligence for understanding and processing natural language? A. Retail and e-commerce. B. Customer service and support. C. Agriculture and farming. D. Entertainment and gaming. You intend to analyze the medical records of patients spread out across the globe. You must suggest an alternative to using the cloud for data processing and storage. A. The Text Analytics API that has container support. B. Azure Machine Learning Studio. C. An Apache Spark cluster that uses MML Spark. D. Azure Machine Learning Services. A Turing challenge known as the requires that every city be visited exactly once. Finding the shortest tour is the goal. A. Finding the shortest path between a source and a destination. B. Traveling salesman problem. C. Map coloring problem. A type of neural network architecture that is popular in LLM research that uses self-attention mechanisms to process input data. A. What is transformers? B. What is interpretability? C. What is prompt engineering? D. What is fine-tuning? What is the main purpose of a convolutional neural network? A. Natural language processing. B. Tabular data analysis. C. Image recognition and classification. D. Time series forecasting. A teaching set of data is sent to a machine learning algorithm, and it is then asked to use that data to respond to a query. A. What is machine learning? B. Data set used for training. C. Computers develop algorithms. D. Parameter-efficient tuning. Which of the following might artificial intelligence in healthcare accomplish? A. Limited access to healthcare services. B. Improved patient outcomes through personalized treatment plans. C. Decreased accuracy in medical diagnoses. D. Increased workload for healthcare professionals. You must assess the trends in fuel prices over 10 years. The solution must show visual representations of anomalous price swings. Which Azure Cognitive Services API should you use? A. Computer vision. B. Anomaly detector. C. Bing autosuggest. D. Text analytics. One of these states defines a problem in a search space. A. Initial state. B. Last state. C. Intermediate state. D. All of the mentioned. Is a machine learning technique where a neural network learns to predict outcomes or categorize data using labeled datasets. Answer: supervised machine learning. A. True. B. False. What is the primary goal of an artificial intelligence engineer? A. Designing user interfaces for websites. B. Developing video games. C. Creating intelligent systems that mimic human cognitive functions. D. Creating intricate art installations. Was a machine that could grasp human language in its subtleties and respond to queries in a way that resembled a human. A. Eliza Ale of MIT. B. Word embedding. C. Deep Blue IBM. D. Watson IBM. What possible societal effects might fear of artificial intelligence have? A. Increased social equality and inclusivity. B. Increased social equality and inclusivity. C. Potential job displacement and unemployment. D. Reduction in data privacy and security risks. How many different categories does the artificial intelligence process fall under? A. Categorized into 5 categories. B. Processes are categorized based on the input provided. C. Categorized into 3 categories. D. Process is not categorized. The father of artificial intelligence is who? A. Fisher Ada. B. John McCarthy. C. Alan Newell. D. Alan Turing.